Hi there, welcome to A Minute with Melissa. So this session very quickly is just to talk about and for you to consider the use of language in your home life, work life and communities too. Language can be extremely impactful in a negative and or positive way. So as you go about your days, we want language hopefully to be supportive, caring and inclusive, creating environments where should somebody be struggling with their mental health in any way, that they can feel able to approach somebody who is going to be able to guide and support them and give them that helping hand. So please be mindful of language. Please let's not label. Think about saying things such as somebody's experiencing or someone is currently living with, and that also provides the hope of recovery, which is always likely and possible. Take care. Come and join me on a mental health first aid course. Bye for now.